Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So today we are continuing our series. So we want to be able, when we aiming, we want to have that offset, and also when we aiming, we want to be able to walk in, because right now we don't. So if before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you so much for all your support, because you keep this channel going. And with your support, I want to help small developers to create their game and create a small studio to create video game altogether. So if we create a studio, we can provide you absolutely for free animation, blueprints, assets, and also my personal help full time, absolutely for free. So if you want to support us in this project, you need to go to my Coffee page. So if you go to my Coffee page, you can donate for just $1, or you can be a member if you want. Depending on your subscription, you're gonna have exclusive stuff. For example, exclusive videos, access to the video before as public, and also the project file from this tutorial. So if you're a member, you want to see everything is already available for you, you need to go to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel. In the right top corner here, if you click here, they want to open a new list with all the stuff we already make. So this is going to be the last update. I update this list almost every day. This is the video game my wife makes, so if you want to check it out, this is free for everybody. You only need to click the link. I give you the free access, and also they're gonna be the videos added in the last update. Here gonna be all the exclusive videos, all unpublished tutorial videos, all unpublished game videos, and also the project files from you can download it. So if you want to talk with me directly, you need to go to my Discord. So if you go to my Discord, for me it's more easy to respond from the Discord to respond from the YouTube comments. So if you have some problem in your project, I can help you. And also if you the tutorial is not working for you, I can fix a few things if you need it. And also if you have a request for a video, I can do it too. So if you want to talk with me privately or sponsorship, you have to write me to my email. My email and the links from Discord and Coffee is gonna be in the description of these videos. Also remember that 100% of the money raised is gonna be for the creation of video game and for the YouTube channel. So thank you, and let's start the tutorial. So let's go to Unreal. In here we have this made it in the last video, so we can, like I said, we can pick up this weapon. Also we can aiming, but we can have this offset. And also, like I said, we can walk and here, and also we need to fix this. So let's do that a little by little. So let's close this. So let's do first the offset, because it's maybe the more important one. So let's do that. So we need to go to the animation. So we want to, I don't know where you have it. So the GP character animation. So we have this animation. So we have the iron rifle. So we need to use this one. So right click, and you're gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna set delete everything. I'm gonna set DP offset and center. For example, we can enter here, and let's put this in here. So we need a few things. So let's go to asset detail, and here we need to go what they said additive settings, and let's change this to mesh space, and skeletal reference pose we want to be to the selected animation scale. So let's use this one, and we're using the reference this one, but not the center one, the original one. So we need to go to here and put iron size, I believe, but they're gonna be DP iron size. So they're gonna be this one, I believe. Yes. So we want to save this because we have the center one. We don't need to do nothing at all. So let's close this, and also let's duplicate the center because it's more faster that way. So let's duplicate and put here. We're gonna start with app, for example. So let's put app is okay. So let's put app. Let's open it. We already have all this stuff, so that's easy. So now there's to pause this, and let's go all the way to 0. So now we want to modify this so fast. So let's modify this a little bit. So if you take time in this stuff, you can have a very cool animation. I wanna I don't want to take too much time. So let's do easy one. So we can go skeleton 3. We can use, for example, spine 1. But if you notice, they're gonna look really weird. So the best way I see is we have in here. So we want to use is spine 3. I think that's the better one. So if you go up like this, let's keep this, and also we need to rotate this a little bit to look better. So let's keep. So now they look probably better. That's not perfect, but for me they're gonna be okay. So we have up, so let's save everything and close this one. So now we want to do down, so let's duplicate. In this time, I'm gonna set down. So let's open it. Let's stop this, go all the way. Also, it's better to be in the center. So let's delete this one. So let's delete that one. And we want to use the center. So let's duplicate this one. Put like a separate. Wow. Okay. So let's rename this again. Go this to down. Okay. So let's do it that. Open this. Stop this again. Go all the way down. So now we need to go down. So I don't want to use spine 3 because they don't look good in this one. So probably we want to play a little bit with spine 2 maybe. Yeah, maybe it's better. They don't look that great, but well, it's gonna be okay. So let's keep this. And also we don't have this rotation, so let's rotate this like probably like that. So let's keep save everything and close this. So now we have this offset. So then here we want to right click, you go to animation, you wanna use aim offset 1D. Why 1D? Because we don't need the left and right, because we already have that in our blueprint. So we need to use aim offset 1D. So let's open this, and we need to choose the skeleton we have. So they're gonna be DP. No, we don't have DP yet. So they're gonna be this one main character skeleton we're using. So now we have this. I wanna put only here DP offset. You can call it like you like it, but for me it's gonna be okay. So let's open this. So we need in here the asset detail. Let's put this in here. We need to horizon values, horizon axis, sorry. We want to have this pitch. So, and also we want to the minimum. The minimum they're gonna be, you remember, we are in 0, so we want to minus 90 and plus 90. So let's gonna be minus 90. And the maximum they're gonna be plus 90, so it's gonna be 90 only. So let's do that and save everything. So now we need to put everything here. So let's do that. So the offset, we want to center in the center. If you notice, not exactly in the center, so it's better to be exactly. So the pitch, I want to be 0. I leave it like that. And also we want to the down, they want to be minus. You need to check this in here. Because if you have the opposite, you need to remember that. So minus 90. So they're gonna be minus 90. That's perfect. So let's do up to plus 90. So now if you want to see this, is shift, I believe. No, control, and you can move this. That's not really perfect, but for me they're gonna be okay. So let's save this, and we need to go to the animation blueprint to set this asset. So let's go to DP animation blueprint. There you go. Control. I need to fix this. I forgot that. So let's go to walk. But first we need to the offset. So in here we have all the stuff we make already. So I only want to do this stuff only if we have equip our weapon. So the equip our weapon is true. I want to do it in here. So in here we want to, let's do a little space here. Let's drag our asset. I put this to here, this one to here. And also we need a pitch, like I said before, so we can promote this to variable, so we have it here. So they're gonna leave it and for default gonna be 0, I believe. Now we can leave it like that. So the piece is gonna be here, and also when we aiming, if it is true, I want to do this too. So let's do it again, and we can copy this if we want. So copy and paste, and let's connect this to here, and this one to here. So now we have the basic one. So let's go to event graph, and we need to set this stuff in here. So to make the pitch is a lot of ways to make that pitch, because it's really only we need to find that pitch variable. But I want to show you a really easy way to make that pitch. I'm doing this for a while now, so they're working really great, and also it's fast to do it. So let's open a new pin, and here we want to use our DP character blueprint again. And from here we want to call something and set base aim rotation. So we have right now the rotation. So in here we need to split this because we don't want to this one. So let's split because we only need the pitch. We don't need the roll, need yaw. So in pitch we want to make these a few things here. So if I remember correctly, so in here we want to know if it's greater or equal to 180. So now I want to explain why. So in here we're gonna be a branch here and connect this to here. So okay, so if this is true, no, if this is false, that means we have this plus variable. So we're looking up. So we will look it up. So they're gonna be false on this. We want this pitch. So from here, well, first we need to set it first. Sorry. So let's set this to this one. If it's false, but we want to know if we are looking to the opposite way. So the opposite way, we want to subtract this. So from here, from the pitch again, we want to minus or subtract 360. So now, if you subtract to 180, well, you subtract 360 to the pitch, they want to give you minus stuff. So in here we want to be true. So if it is true, we want to be that one. So in here we want to another pitch, copy and paste, and connect this to here. I don't know if I explained myself correctly. If not, I can explain it better in my Discord or in the comments. So why? Okay, let's do it like that. So now we have the pitch. So let's collab this stuff. So let's collab this and call this pitch. That's it. So let's put this in here. It does it. So let's text it out. So let's go play. So now we pick up this stuff, so we can aiming up and down correctly. We are not walking, but we'll see if we're an idle. I forgot to put this in the idle. So let's close this, go back where they say while run, go to locomotion in idle. We forgot to put it here. So if we have this equip, we want to be also we don't need to the keeper one. Well, it's okay, we can do it here too. So let's get our offset and connect this to here, and also the pitch again. This time I'm gonna put it this way. And we can copy and paste because we need it when aiming. So let's do it like that. Yes, I put it here because maybe we want to also aiming when we gotta keep it weapon. I don't use it that way, but if you want, you have it here. So now we connect this to here and this to here, and that's it. So let's compile and save. My cat go crazy. I don't know why. Okay, let's continue. So let's go play. So now let's pick up this assault rifle. So now if we are aiming, well, we're an idle. We are aiming. We can go up and we can go down. Also, we can rotate. So that is cool. And also when we're walking, we can go up and down. but we want to be able to walk in, so let's do that. Now also we can shoot now, so let's go. So let's go to walking animation correctly. So for walking, we need to go to locomotion again, go to walk and run, and here we want to, where we aiming, we want to blend this stuff, because right now we have only this animation, but we want to blend it for this walk and run blend space. So we can copy this, so let's copy and paste it right here. We need a speed, so let's reference essential movement data, I don't know what to put it here. So ground speed, let's put it like here. Okay, so let's connect this to here, and let's connect this to the blend, so let's do that one. So here, okay, so blend, layer blend for bond. So we want to this be the base, and this one we want to be the blend post 0. So let's reroute this, and we want to the pitch offset from this one, so let's here, and this piece gonna be here to look a little bit better, and let's put this in here. Okay, so now you need to connect this to the aim, remember that. And also in the layer blend per bond, we want to modify the layer setup. Go to index, you go to add a new one. We want to open the index, you want to put here, we want to be exactly in the middle, so we want to be spine 01. So the blend deep, I find with the 3 or 4 number, it's gonna be okay, so I'm gonna put 4. And mesh space rotation for maybe some rotation problem, so let's go to true. So let's compile this stuff, and let's put this here. That's okay. So let's compile. Sorry, and let's do it again. So play. So let's pick up this. So now if we aiming, we can walk forward, backward, right, but we don't have right and left, so they don't working, but at least they working forward and backward, so that's working good on here. So we need to fix this left and right, so let's do that. So let's close this, and to doing that we're gonna need 2 animations. So I have these 2 animations left and right, so I believe these 2 animations is from Examo. You can download from there from absolutely for free. You only need to retarget to the mannequin to the Unreal, and they also do it for free, or you can buy some animation from the marketplace, or if you download these project files, you're gonna have these 2 animations absolutely in your project. So let's open this one, so let's gonna be yes here, and change their main character, gonna be okay. So we have the left, I have this animation from a long time ago, it is working really great. So let's do it like that, and also let's do that one. I want to say yes, it's gonna be main character, so let's open. So we have this to the right, it's the same one but in the opposite direction. So let's save. Here we have these 2 animations, so let's move these 2 to our animation. So let's go like that. Go to animation. In here we want to fix this walking room, because right now we're going to idle, walking and running, so we want to fix this stuff. So let's do that. So let's close this one and let's create a new one. So right click, go to animation, and we need to blend space, but not this time 1D, we need the full blend space. So let's do it here, and we need to check again our main character. I want to call this DP locomotion because it's what it is. So let's do it like that. So let's open it, let's put this in here, and we're gonna need 2 values, one from here and one for this one. So we're gonna need to the horizontal axis, so gonna be this one. So we want to direction, so here direction, and the minimum they're gonna be to the left, so they're gonna be minus 180, and also maximum we want 180. Sorry, I losing my voice right here. So 180, and let's save this. So we have left and right. So now we're gonna need the speed. So in vertical gonna be here. So they're gonna be here. Speed gonna be from 0 to, I believe we have 500 here. Let's put 500 because I think it is. So let's check. They look weird as an image. 500, yes. So let's close this one and open our new one. So we have here 500. So let's save everything and let's put our animation here. So we're gonna need backward. I don't have it here, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So here we're gonna need the left one, so I'm gonna put it in here. So let's open this because we need to be exactly what it is. So I'm gonna be minus 90, and here we're gonna put 250 for now. And also we're gonna need the same one but in here. So let's open this. So they're gonna be minus 90 and here 500. So now we're gonna need the idle. So let's go to idle in here. So this one gonna be 0. I'm gonna put this idle in here, and this one gonna be minus 90. It is one speed and 0. So we want to another idle in here. So let's open this. This is gonna be 90, 0. That's gonna be okay. And we need to the right one. So let's go to the right. So we need one in here. So let's open this. Put this 90. It is 250 for now. And another right in here. So this one gonna be 90. It is gonna be 500. So now we work in this transition, but we need to walk forward. So let's gonna be walk forward in here. So right click, you put this direction 0, speed to 50, it run forward gonna be in here. And this one we need to be 0, it is 500. So now we have this cool animations here. So let's save it. So if you go control, you can play with this how they looking. So they look a little weird because we need more animation in here, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So they're gonna working better. So let's save this and close this one. Also we need the back one, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna leave it like that. So let's save this, now close this. And here we need to change all this time in walk and run. We want to change this walk and run for our new locomotion. So locomotion, let's put in here. Let's connect this to what it belongs. In the ground speed to the speed and direction. Let's delete the one now. So let's promote this to have that direction. So let's promote that. And we're gonna need this again. So let's copy and delete this one. Paste it here and connect the ground speed, and also I believe another one. I don't know why they put here. There's new. Let's delete this. We pasted this one here. So let's connect this to here, and the speed we can drag it from ground speed through like that. So that's it. It's only 3. Yes, so we don't need to do the idle because they don't do nothing, and also we don't have it here because it's not working around here. So let's go to the event graph. So now we're gonna need that direction setup. So I can do it for speed because it's almost the same. So in here we're gonna need the DP character blueprint. So they're gonna be get, and from here we want to be something similar to here. So it's gonna be here. So get velocity. Okay, so velocity, and also we're gonna need the get actor rotation. and from here we want to calculate the direction. It's both the same, so it's gonna be like this. And the self, because it's an instant, we are at the any blueprint, so let's base to this one. So this is our direction, so let's go to direction, set this, connect this to here, and this to here. Let's put this out of the way. So now we have speed and direction, so let's compound save, and here we can change this name, so speed and direction, so we know what it is here, so like that. So let's compile and save, and let's test this out. So let's go play. So let's pick up this now, so still we can walk, and also we can go backward because I don't have the animation. So that's gonna be for the next video, gonna put that backward. If you have it, gonna look better than mine, but I have now go to right and also go to left, walk, so they're gonna working a lot better than before. But you have some weird sometimes because we need more animation, but at least we have something to go to left and right, so that's gonna be better. So that's gonna be it for this video. So if you want to support us to make that project happen, to make that small studio, so we can help a lot of people to create the games absolutely for free, provide you asset, animation, blueprints, and also my personal help for full-time absolutely for free. So if you want to help us, you need to go to my coffee page. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. So bye bye.